Hey everyone, it's Angelica at my Woodland Animals. Let's get drawing.
In today's video, we are sketching a cute variation of the Starbucks logo, ready for pumpkin spice season. For this project, I will be using a micron pen, the Ohuhu alcohol marker set, and a marker pad. I will link everything in the description below. As always, I prepare a preliminary sketch, put it right under my paper and trace the lines. Let's give the familiar Starbucks logo a cute twist today. I give her a different face and replace her crown with a dreamy fall leaf tiara. We will keep the star, of course. Now she needs some friends. A cute pumpkin pie to her left. And another cute little friend and more details to her right. A smiling pumpkin, a few leaves and a few bubbles. Sirens need bubbles. Here we go! Time to get out the markers and start coloring. Our friendly pumpkin pie has an adorable smile, don't you think? I will move with my tracing sheet. Now I'm coloring the crispy crust of our little pumpkin pie, and I give the face a happy orange complexion. Next is a little pumpkin. I like how the friendly faces of those guys turned out. Just looking at them makes me smile. It's contagious. I hope the same goes for you. And moving on to our somewhat different little Starbucks girl. I'm filling in the background first. Please don't forget to subscribe for more cute content. Experimenting with those greens is a very different take on the Starbucks siren. What do you think? Is it still a Starbucks logo or just a cute green girl on a coffee cup now? Please let me know in the comments. Of course, for a fall theme, we need all the earthy colors for the leaves. Let's connect our friends by letting them share some common ground. I'm adding a little bit of hatching and a few more details, and we are almost done. And here we go, a happy fall variation of the Starbucks siren.